I think that the boys found out tonight what Super Rugby's about, and they went out there and expressed themselves, and I'm really proud of the way they fought out the game and hung in there, and they threw everything at it. So really proud of our first step out into Super Rugby, 22 debuts, so we learned a lot.
Thanks, Mick. Thoughts for Lachlan?
As first for Mick, it seemed to have a lot of attacking opportunities on the Waratahs line, just didn't really get the chance to execute. Is that just about sort of building combinations, and that's something that's going to come throughout this season?
Yeah, I think that's how we looked at it. I think there were 3 or 4 we turned over in the attacking 22. That's just, we threw a couple of passes that usually, sometimes can come off, but we turned over a couple of lineouts. So it's all just combinations, and I think the pace of the game, the boys now realise what Super Rugby is all about, and the room in there is excited to be part of it.
But getting used to that pace and just sort of the fine line between sort of executing, is that the main lessons you reckon the side's going to take into these next couple of games?
Yeah, I think we like executing, or as you said, I think before, the combinations and just getting comfortable at the pace of the game. It's all those things. I think it's a combination of all those together tonight, and as I said, I was really proud with the way they fought it out.
I mean, for you, Nemani, just your thoughts, just getting that taste of Super Rugby action. How's the body feeling? How's the team sort of after that performance?
Yeah, like Coach said, first game for us. All of these guys are playing their first ever Super Rugby competition, so we now know how what it's like to play at this level. I think we just take on the learnings that we can from this game and move forward.
So, did anything surprise you about what the Waratahs threw up, or the sort of pace of Super Rugby?
Yeah, just they started well. I mean, we said to do the same thing, but they executed their game plan really well. For us, we just missed out on a few opportunities that we had. Our execution was not there, but we take the learnings and then we go again next week.
You're a bit disappointed the last 15 or so minutes. You really were on their line and had a lot of attacking opportunities. You're a bit disappointed you just couldn't get there in the end? Yeah,
it's disappointing. We spent a lot of time in the 22. We came out empty-handed, but that's happened. Like I said, we learned from it, and it's a first game, and we'll take that learning to our next game against the Brumbies.
You guys stayed out on the pitch after the match, celebrating the fans that came out. How good was it to see, it was almost a Fiji Drua home game, essentially, with the amount of fans that you guys had here. It must have been really welcoming to be a part of that.
Yeah, we had a huge support tonight from the Fijian community here in Sydney. We're very thankful, and we love our rugby. Fijians love our rugby, and we saw them tonight. It meant a lot. We just went out there and just appreciate them coming out tonight and supporting us in the first ever game.
Nemani, were there a bit of nerves at the beginning, at the start of the game, for all the players?
Yeah, I guess for first game, there was nerves, but like I said, we just missed out on opportunities that we had to execute, and I think just moving forward, just improve on that. Just take opportunities when they present themselves, and we'll be going well there.
Well, thoughts on discipline tonight?
Yeah, I think the penalty count, I can't be 100% sure, but I think it was pretty close to equal through the end of the night, and there was a couple of penalties either way really that both sides gave away. I think the pace of the game, it's just a learning. We can prepare for the pace of the game, as Nemani has said, until you actually taste it. Getting back on your feet, getting back in the line, coming forward at pace. Great learnings tonight, and we'll be so much better for the experience tonight.
What about your young brigade, especially your open side flanker? First Super Rugby game, but played like he's been there for a number of years.
Yeah, he was excellent for us tonight. He was tough over the ball. He made a couple of big hits. He carried well. He'd be proud of his debut, along with the other 21 guys that debuted tonight, they'll all be proud of the fact they're now Super Rugby players.
Mick, how difficult is it to build a team from scratch?
Well, when you've got guys like Amani alongside you, it's not actually that difficult to build. It's probably tonight just getting it all to function first game, to get it all there. The resilience these guys have shown over the last 11 weeks to train and get fit and get ready to play has been nothing short of inspirational. And it was just tonight getting out there and the combinations. That's the thing that's going to take a little bit of time, just the little minute details. A couple of guys catching the ball together, just the little details that we want to put into our game that will get better and better each week on.
How long do you think it will take for the team to become really competitive and at the level of, Super Rugby level?
That's a good question. I think tonight we showed we're competitive. Of course, as during the game we were very competitive. As stated, it would have been nice. We crossed the line there at the end a couple of times, just couldn't get the ball down. The boys will be, on the review of the game. I know they're already talking about how quick it was at the start. So now we don't have to talk about that anymore because we've now experienced it. No matter how much chat you do, until you actually physically experience that speed, then now they understand that. They won't have to worry about that again. So, I believe we'll be competitive. Each game we're going to get better and we'll be physical and we'll do it like we did in the second half tonight. We'll just keep coming.
Any other questions on the floor? If not, well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Naka.